Hey you guys, so it's Tuesday. I've been on keto for like a week now. Haven't weighed in, but feeling really good. I'm about to have my first meal of the day. As you guys can see, it is spam and eggs. And a lot of people like feel some kind of way about spam. Like, I understand it's meat in a can, but you guys, fried up on the stove is so good, especially with a couple of like fried eggs, over easy eggs on top. So I'm gonna just crisp them up, and I'm persuading you to just give it a try. Even if you feel kind of weird about it, it's really good. And the carb count is 1 carb and 16 grams of total fat. So not the healthiest or like whole food option, but it does hit such a good like salty spot. So there you go. Okay, you guys, sorry. It's later in the afternoon now. I still haven't ate anything since my spam and eggs. So for dinner tonight, we are going to have Tesco barbecue chicken drumsticks. They look like this. They cook in the oven for about an hour. Well, it says 45 minutes on here, but I always like my drumsticks like extra crispy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw these on a cookie sheet and put them in the oven while I work out.
What if you give me back the night? 'Cause I've been waiting all my life, oh yeah. What if it's only in my mind? But what if you give me back the night, oh yeah. What if you give me back the night? What if you give me back the night, oh yeah. What if you give me back the night? What if you give me back the night, oh yeah. I've been waiting for you, ooh. I've been waiting for you, oh. I've been waiting for you, ooh. I've been waiting for you, oh. What if you give me back the night? 'Cause I've been waiting all my life, oh yeah. What if it's only in my mind? What if you give me back the night, oh yeah. What if you give me back the night? What if you give me back the night, oh yeah. What if you give me back the night? What if you give me back the night, oh yeah.
Okay, you guys, just got done working out and I have concealer under my eyes, so I look a little crazy. But since I'm doing cauliflower tonight, I'm thinking of doing like a cauliflower baked potato. So I'm gonna fry up some bacon and then we're just gonna load the cauliflower. We're gonna mash it up and then we're gonna load it with cream cheese and butter and bacon and salt and pepper. Hopefully it'll be really good. I haven't done anything like this. Growing up, my mom used to make like cauliflower mashed potatoes that were amazing. So we're gonna try and mimic that today. Okay, you guys, so I just did that with salt and pepper, and it's good. It's rich, but stop. It's good and rich, but it's a little bland. So we're gonna do. Yeah, baby, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. We're doing more salt, and I'm gonna do some onion and garlic pepper too. Okay, so it definitely made it a lot better. Probably, you know, cauliflower can take a lot of salt, so the salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper, and then cheese, butter, cream cheese, and this is amazing. It doesn't taste, it's not like you don't even miss the baked potato. You guys, here is our finished meal. I am so excited. The cauliflower, like baked potato cauliflower, came out so good. Honestly, you could double the bacon. It needs like 6 stripes of bacon. And then we have the avocado salad, and then we have our 2 chicken drumsticks, and now I'm about to eat. Okay, you guys, my first weigh-in, and I am at 193. Down 6 pounds since I started, and today is May 15th. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm pretty excited. Okay, let's work out, baby. You gonna help mommy work out?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
So today is the 19th of May, and today is my mom's birthday. So happy birthday, Mom. You gonna say happy birthday, Grandma?
Happy birthday, Grandma.
You gonna say I love you?
I love you.
Do you miss her?
Yeah.
You miss Papa too?
Yeah.
Can you sing happy birthday to Grandma?
No.
Say happy birthday, Grandma. Love you.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I love you.
Okay.
Mama, I want to say bye to Papa.
Oh, say bye to Papa.
Bye, Papa. Hey, It's still my birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom. We love you. Mwah. Say mwah.
Mwah.